today I just wanted to quickly say how much I am grateful for everybody here. This has been a really long journey for me. Starting this channel was originally created because I wanted to figure something out that I could leave to my children of video footage of me and how I could teach my children to cook and do different things, ways to save money, ways to be creative, meals to make, and just have footage of me. Because when I started is right after I got diagnosed with a terminal type of cancer. And that was in May of 2022. Today it is December 2023, going on 2024 soon, and I'm only alive because somebody so special decided that they would be an organ donor. And I have a brand new heart and I've had a heart transplant from this amazing person that I can't even say thank you to. I have written them a letter, and if you haven't seen my other medical journey videos and you want to watch the journey, there's a playlist where you can watch from the surgery from before we got the call about being on the transplant list to the surgery to all sorts of footage of recovery. There's a 4-part series as well. But that being said, I'm here and I'm alive today because of this person, and I just know that I can never repay them enough. And as I'm deciding what videos I want to make on here, I'm thinking, this is so interesting now, because before my thoughts were always, what can I do for my children? What favorite recipes can I make to show them different things that were family favorites and all that. And now I feel like I have life again. Like I don't know how long I have. I don't know how long I have till the disease comes back. But I'm going with the positive that I know it might sound crazy if you've been told you have a terminal illness, that it's only a matter of time. But I have to, honestly, in my heart and soul and mind, have to go think that it's not coming back, so I can live like I have a future and plan like I have a future, because I don't know how to live just like day in and day out. I want to be able to plan. And so that's how I'm going to be operating going forward, is just operating like I'm going to be fine. I mean, there's going to be so many times where I can't do what I want. I can't plan like some people where I'm planning super defined because of medical appointments and all of the stuff that I have to continually do and all the medications that I'm on and all the things that happen that you just can't predict. So I do this kind of when I can, but I'm having so much fun doing it that I want to create a plan for myself. So anyway, this is where the whole thing stems from, is that now that I am not able to work at this time, I'm able to create videos. So I can do a couple hours of something and go rest for a few hours, and I can get up and do 5 minutes of something and go back and rest. So it enables me to still do something and feel like I'm being productive. And that's something I love watching, is YouTube videos. So I thought, I'm going to keep going on this. Why stop now? Because I feel like, because I'm in tentative remission, that maybe I should stop. But I'm just thinking, no. So I want to really gear my videos more towards, I want being real. I want, not that I wasn't before, I feel like I've been real the whole time, but I just mean, you know, the videos you watch when the person sounds like a robot and the different things, and you never see anybody's face. You never see anybody's mess. It's just not real life. Dogs bark in the background, kids are screaming, you know, your vacuum's laying in the middle of the floor. That is real life. Dishes piling in the sink, especially for me. You might see that a lot because I don't have a dishwasher. And that's just the way that we have it here. So yeah, that's where I'm going to be headed with things, are because I am on a strict budget, and because I haven't this illness and I have to take lots of breaks and have lots of rest, I'm going to be gearing things more towards budget friendly meals and cooking. I've always loved thrifting. I've thrifted pretty much my whole home, except for some odd new pieces here and there, of course. And all my animals and my farm, and I'm going to be hatching some chickens in the spring, and I have all these plans and ideas. So going forward, that's what you're going to see more from me, is continued down to earth reality, tons more recipes. I'm going to be doing lots of budget breakdowns. I'm going to be doing lots of journal and planning videos. I want to do book. I have a couple books that I want to go through with you guys and do vlogs with, and just more of all of the stuff. And I just wanted to let you know that I won't stop now, that basically I feel like the point of me doing this was to put the videos out for the kids, but now I feel like I've been given another lease on life. So I want to keep going because you guys, I just love this. I'm having so much fun, and when I get a new subscriber, I'm just so grateful and so thankful. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. It means so much to me that you are here watching, and let's get on with it. Thanks so much for being here, you guys. Please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you very soon. And don't miss out on 2024 book club as we go through the 12 different weeks of It's Never Too Late to Begin Again.